Hello guys, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ and warm welcome to our YouTube channel Plan Your Next Trip. Today in this episode, we will share our travel experience through Emirates Flight to the most popular city of UAE. Also our experience at Bangalore International Lounge. Yes, you heard it right. We are traveling to Dubai. This is our small initiative to reach traveler all over. In case you are watching for the first time, please subscribe to our channel and support us. Again, thanks for subscribing. Coming back to the video, we started our journey towards Kempegowda International Airport around 11 p.m. and our flight was at 4:30 early morning. It was raining heavily and we wanted to experience the international launch calmly, so we started too early from our home. We reached the airport around 12:30. It took us 90 minutes from Silk Board to airport courtesy the heavy rainfall at Bangalore. We completed small security check at the entrance where you have to show passport and flight tickets, and if you are traveling to the other country as a visitor, security would ask for return ticket and visa document as per the protocol. Once you enter the airport, first step is to collect your boarding pass and check in the extra luggage. This would complete 50% of the job. Different airlines has got their luggage weight limit. For Emirates, you can check in up to 23 kg and 7 kg as cabin bag. The next step is immigration and security check. The lounge access for international traveler is very near. After the security check, towards right hand side. Our cards verified and swiped for 2 rupees each. The lounge was not that big, which we thought. The food taste was better. We can also enjoy with a cup of tea, soft drinks and hot drinks available at the lounge. Place to sit and relax for a couple of hours. Of course, there was no place to sleep. After a couple of hours, we started walking towards departure gate and finally boarded Emirates for the first time. Even Emirates economy class feels like a superior one. You'll be given headphones, pillow for your back support and a blanket. didn't get window seat, but that doesn't matter in Emirates because there are cameras covering outside view and you can watch it on your screen in front. Emirates has onboard entertainment with ICE in-flight entertainment system. ICE stands for Information, Communication and Entertainment. You can choose up to 5,000 shows or cinemas worldwide available on the screen. The inside light is also so pleasing. Emirates offer food for traveler with no extra cost. We were served breakfast as we were traveling in the morning. Breakfast was short and simple with tiny dosa, idli, rusk, dessert, cup of soft drinks. You can choose among veg and non-veg. Of a flight travel, we reached Dubai airport at 6:50 am. For your information, Dubai local time is 90 minutes late to Indian Standard Time. Once again, thank you for watching our video. See you soon on our next episode of Dubai Travel. Thank you.